Module 5. Cross-examination. Introduction. During the trial, the defense attorney cross-examines prosecution witnesses to expose inconsistencies, biases, or motives that may undermine their credibility. Cross-examination is a critical part of the trial process in which the opposing party's attorney questions a witness who has already testified during direct examination. During cross-examination, the goal is to elicit new information, challenge the witness's credibility, and test the strength of their testimony and the evidence presented. Key aspects of cross-examination include: scope of questions. The scope of cross-examination is typically limited to the topics covered during the witness's direct examination. The cross-examiner cannot introduce entirely new subjects unless the opposing party has opened the door to those subjects during their questioning. Leading questions. Cross-examination usually involves the use of leading questions, which suggest the answer to the witness. This technique allows the cross-examiner to control the direction of the testimony and potentially highlight inconsistencies or weaknesses in the witness's account. Impeachment. Cross-examination often involves attempts to impeach the witness's credibility or challenge their reliability. The cross-examiner may bring up prior inconsistent statements made by the witness, criminal history, bias, or other factors that may affect their believability. Highlighting inconsistencies. The cross-examiner may compare the witness's current testimony with prior statements, depositions, or evidence presented during the trial to expose any inconsistencies or contradictions. Controlling the witness. Through cross-examination, the attorney seeks to control the witness's responses, limiting their ability to expand on their answers or introduce new information beyond the scope of the questions. Objecting. The opposing party's attorney may object to certain questions during cross-examination if they believe they are improper or exceed the scope of direct examination. The judge will rule on the objections. Attacking the witness's knowledge. The cross-examiner may question the witness's ability to perceive, remember, or recall events accurately, which can affect the weight given to their testimony. Honing the defense. Cross-examination allows the defense attorney to strengthen their case, challenge the prosecution's evidence, and reinforce the defense's theory of the case. Effective cross-examination requires a deep understanding of the case's facts, the ability to think on one's feet, and strong communication and analytical skills. It is an art as much as it is a science, and skilled cross-examiners can significantly impact the outcome of a trial by discrediting key prosecution witnesses or undermining the prosecution's case. It's important to note that while cross-examination can be a powerful tool, it is not without limitations. The witness's direct examination is typically conducted by the party calling the witness, and the witness's testimony is still subject to the trier of facts evaluation, the judge or jury, based on their observations of the witness's demeanor, credibility, and consistency.